Homeowners, if you haven't already and you've started a project, it's important that you do this one thing. Trust me, if you don't do it, it can cost you so much money. What is it? We're going to talk about it right now.
This is where it's at.
If you are in a project currently with a remodel, you're doing some sort of construction on your property and you haven't done this one thing right here, unfortunately, you may be in some steep trouble. Well, not trouble with anyone, but maybe with yourself. Make sure your contractor is licensed. It's so important to do this because it will save you money. How? Well, imagine if you have a project and it's going smooth. Many times we see this. Say a bathroom is being remodeled. They remodel the bathroom, and then after the project is completed, after some months have gone by, everything is smooth, but eventually it starts leaking. The bathroom's on the second floor, and you notice there's a wet spot on your ceiling. And you're saying, where's this wet spot coming from? So you look at it and you realize, what? That's coming right from below the bathroom we remodeled. So you have it checked out and you determine, it's some water damage happening. Aww. So what happens in this scenario? Well, if you're still within contract with your contractor, you can call them up. They can come assess the situation and fix any other necessary things that you have to get done. However, what if you used or found out that you used a contractor who isn't licensed? You're gonna get ghosted. I'm just gonna tell you right now, they will not pick up the phone. Maybe they pick up the phone that first time because they're thinking they get another project from you, and you call them and you say, you know what? That bathroom of mine is leaking. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Man, I'm sorry to hear that. That's what they're gonna say. Oh yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, let me go. Let's figure out a time. When's a good time for you? For you and for me, and I can come by and we can talk about it and we can figure this out. Friday afternoon will be perfect. Okay, I'll see you Friday. That's what they'll say, and I guarantee you will not see them that day. You won't see them at all. As a matter of fact, they probably will not answer your phone call again. Why? Because they weren't licensed. There's no way for you to report them, file a complaint, go through any other legal processes to fix your leaking bathroom. So what is that one thing you have to do? That one thing you have to do before you start that project with that contractor who you think is the best fit for you is simply going online and checking to see if they have a valid contractor's license. Now, here in Oregon, you can do this by going to the CCB to see if this contractor that you're going to use is licensed by simply entering in their information, their name, their first and last name. Enter that information in. Their business will pop up either by their name or the DBA, which is doing business as, whatever they're doing their business as, meaning what their company may be named. Two things you'll see with that. Whether it shows up or not, that's important. But if it shows up, do they have other instances where potential problems have occurred, where someone has filed a complaint, where someone has sued them, or any other transgressions that could happen would be listed on their profile when licensed. So those are important. So homeowners, please make sure you check to see if your contractor that you're using or currently using right now to fix your home is licensed. The contractor you're currently using at your home right now or in the future is licensed.
This is where it's at.